Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux. For some time I have problems accessing the controller, be it either on the default firmware and as well as with the community firmware, which resides on this micro SD card. I've ejected it now, so when I power up it goes to the default firmware and I hope I can access it. If you watch the videos on the Discovery drawing robot, you will have noticed that with the last video on that series I managed to log in. Hopefully I can do that here as well. And then see whatever happens. Unfortunately, the reactions to my question on the fischertechnik forum have been unanswered so far. I will take another look at it, but let's take a look if I can log in again. Let's hope so. Alright, then the software side. As you can see, once again, terminal for the community firmware, terminal for the default firmware, wiring, terminal for receiving and displaying images when applicable with the community firmware, and of course the camera. Now unfortunately I decided to start controller to shorten recording time. However, it comes with a grey screen with which I can do nothing, and when I go here it says disconnected. Now that takes some time usually, but I'm afraid in this case I'll have to restart again. Oh, there it comes. Really? But I see absolutely nothing. So let me do a short test on this with this one. Then that also means that I have to this has to be 8 and 2, 1, go. Alright, here's nothing, and this works. This is the first that I get no visible screen on here with the new firmware. Security, SSH daemon, VNC server. That means that using this one I should be able to log in. And what I found out last time, what I did wrong, was using a capital R here, which has to be a small r. Anyway, let me try to log in. Okay, that is not unusual, this one. So, which one? This is 1, 3, 4, I think. No, it is not. Wait. This one is, of course, this is it. Yes. I'm in, but that's not a problem. However, the problem is, I can't run the program from here. I simply cannot, because of the simple fact that when I do it here, my Python program uses OpenCV, and the Python version on the default firmware has no OpenCV in it, unfortunately, because the driver is driver FT ROBOPro is from the community, not default. Anyway, test was to see if I could log in. I can. So now over to the community firmware, see if that works. To that end, I have to exit here to make things safe. This will remain, even though I switch it off. Remain in visual. I can't do anything with it. So switching it off. That is okay. Now it's switched off, kind of. Now it is. Inserting card, the SD card, and switch on. And wait. Alright. Alright. Now you can see a very nice display here with an icon. I'm going to close this, start again, and use a different IP address. That should be this one. That doesn't work. No. So I will have to use let's say standard user interface. Come on, respond. Yeah. Settings, security, everything is off. So enabling the SSH daemon, enabling the VNC server. And now it works. Does that mean that I can log in here? I doubt it. I would be very pleased if I could. Nope, I cannot. Unfortunately, that route is still denied for some very weird reason. I'm still thinking why, but I can't find the reason. I can't find any argument that would point me in the right direction. So no, this one is still failing. And why? No, I changed nothing. Ouch. And here, this is only a VNC of the menu that is usually on here. So this one works, but that's all. Can I log in here now? No way. Too bad. Since I could do nothing, I decided to follow a hint I got from someone to copy the new community firmware again. Whether that will be a good suggestion, I do not yet know. Let me see if this works. No, so I have to re-enable everything. Settings. No, not network. Security. SSH login. VNC server. So, try again. Connect, and I'm there. Alright, that works. Which does not say this will work. It doesn't say SSH deny like I got here, no host verification failed. So that one should still work. Closed by port 22, which is logical in a way. Let's try it again. No, no such luck at all. And I do know I'm using the correct password. Unfortunately, this is not going to work. And yes, no caps lock in it. So, how to get in another way? I honestly don't know. There are ways to get in. There's Bluetooth, but then I have to have Bluetooth enabled on here, and I'll have to find out. I could use perhaps USB, but that also means that I have to disconnect the camera. What is more important, not working camera or not being able to log in? Not logging in means I can't use the camera anyway. Nice things to consider. Another thing, I had not checked ROBOPro, the program, and this simple command shows me that Bluetooth is active on this laptop. So what if I, okay, this gives an error because it could not find anything, but this says Bluetooth, TXT controller. Next, select Bluetooth 9.2. Okay. Oh wait, I'm still on the community firmware, so this won't work. I have to reboot into the original firmware. Or can I? Can I use Bluetooth on this one? Let me just check this. Okay. Okay, this works, but this is still not a terminal. This is definitely not a terminal, just a testing for inputs and outputs to be correct. So yeah, this doesn't count as an attempt. Reboot into the original firmware then. Alright, this time it booted nicely into the original firmware. This one is also connected, very good. So let's boot into Tiger VNC again, or boot into connect to. Oh, interesting, this will be the Wi-Fi version, which goes nice. Can I also do the Bluetooth version, which is, according to this one, 9. Can I do that? No, it cannot. It's waiting too long. So I go here to Bluetooth. And then, can I connect? No, not yet. Or is Bluetooth enabled anyway? yeah, this sign says I am on Bluetooth. Oh, I can of course use this one. VNC, settings, network, Bluetooth pairing code. Of course, I need to use a pairing code for it. Then again, from here, how do I pair with it? System tools. I see no Bluetooth. Yeah, right, because I'm not paired to Bluetooth. Preferences. Administration. Okay, I have to set that up first. And that will be a very interesting one for next time. So, interesting how to connect to Bluetooth via or to the TXT controller. Get things working again. Nice ending of this one. And with this I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, with recently also IGTV videos. And please show support by becoming a patron or make a donation via either PayPal or IBAN. More information on my website, which you can find under this video, or wait for the final segment. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.